Hey partners, welcome back. I'm still at 600 yards. This is the second relay. I'm gonna try another time, see if I can get a 50. And I'm on the right side and Tyler Doyle is on the left. It's just two of us. This going.
Now we're gonna run a string and you get a zero.
Go.
Great shot. I saw that go right in that fucking hole.
Thanks, man.
And you gotta go right to left, Tyler. I'm thinking if you put on a half-minute wind, half-minute right.
Yeah, we'll give that a whirl.
Yeah. Not enough. Okay, that 155 drifts quite a bit.
Seems to, yeah, because that's even quite a bit. That's another 3/4.
Okay, just remember that shot right there. I wouldn't touch nothing yet.
Jesus. Chris is dialed in.
Okay, the wind's down. Yep, fire and see what this
Just gonna send another one the same.
Yep. There we go. Now we got two conditions.
Oh, that's a good way to think about it.
Oh yes, for sure. Use your sighters to learn two conditions
Yeah.
and then go from that throughout your string, right?
Yeah.
Now if the flags pick back up, you know you're going to have to go at least a half-minute to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we know where we're at when it's pretty still.
Pretty still and picking up, and we'll just have to know when it changes left to right. You got real fast there for some reason. The flags aren't showing it. You'll probably come down and click on your elevation.
Yeah, that's a good idea too. I never wasn't even looking at elevation.
The
at
two
this
are
point.
perfect water line. Now if I were you, now make your wind call because the flags are back up. I would go at least a half-minute more to the right.
I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'll do a half.
You could probably go 3/4.
I was thinking 3, but
Yep.
Yeah, she's
and it's
blowing
picking up a
hard
little
now,
more,
eh?
too, so. Oof.
That's out there quite a bit. Yeah.
Yeah, it was hard.
Okay. Okay.
Interesting.
So now you got a 1.25 wind on. Perfect water line though, man.
If it stays like this, I'm probably gonna add another half.
For sure.
Maybe
Yep.
even a little more. We'll see.
We'll see after Chris fires and what it does.
He's right there with me.
Yeah, the wind picked up.
Yeah, add another half-minute.
Oof. That sounded funny. Did that sound funny?
That did sound funny. Velocity's good on it though.
Yeah.
That 155 is a tricky bullet to shoot.
Oh, I loved it at 300.
Very, very tricky in this way.
I feel like there's something wonky about that last one. Huh.
Okay, just 1 second. Legs are down a bit. Come a half minute left,
Yeah, he took a half off there.
at least.
I was even thinking maybe because the wind's down a bit.
It's down quite a bit.
The wind is down. Look like switch left to right. Kind
Still
of.
going right to left.
I'll do the half, see where we come out.
Yeah. If I was a betting man, you're going to be right 5.
Huh. I don't know what's going on. Is my fucking point of aim off here or something?
Where'd that one go?
That's a 3 on the right.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. You came down quite a bit.
I guess I should have taken a full minute off, but
Yeah, because that 155, that's pretty crazy. You need up to 2.5 minutes
yeah.
in a wind change here.
Nice shot, Chris.
Thank you.
Okay, bring us back to the 2 7/8 mark.
All right, that's where we're at now.
2 7/8, and I want you to go half minute left.
I don't know what's going. There's something weird going on. There's no way that should have been way out there.
We just took that.
You going to the
Unless
right
I
way,
went
man?
to the right. No, I went to the left.
Wow.
Oh no.
Chris is doing a lot of the same things as
He
the
is.
weird part.
Okay, another half minute left. Guaranteed. Those 155s really suck. For wind.
They do. That's the thing. Like,
Now the wind changed direction. It's the other way.
Changed again.
it's all right. Well,
It's still good though.
It's
Oh,
right
yeah,
to
it'll be
left,
good.
right?
well, we moved it in the right direction.
There we go. Challenge that. That should be a 5.
All right, let's
What do you
see.
think here? She's picking up pretty good.
I know I just put some left on too, and then did that. Might just send another one. It's a little more wind.
How much left did you put on?
I just took it back off, so we're where we were
Okay.
last time.
You should be decent right here though.
I think so. Fuck. Get on target here. Like, I don't know. I don't know if there's something loose here.
Holy
'cause
smokes! There must be something loose.
There's gotta be, yeah. Yeah.
like
Are
there's
you
some-
going the right direction for sure? Looks. It's almost like you're going the
No
wrong
way
direction.
That was 2.5 minutes.
No. Of wind, there's no
Yeah.
way. But like, I don't know. Let me just get my like position set up better here or something maybe. Especially like going 3s on both sides, and I wasn't shooting any fucking 3s today earlier.
No, that's weird. The wind's the same as what it just was.
So here's what I'm gonna do. All right, so we're back to 0.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna put on
I'd say
a full minute
and a half.
right. What?
A minute and a half anyways.
Yeah, especially as a gusting like that. Let's see where that gets us. And if it's way off, then I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do.
She's fast, but she's not. There's no way it should be more than a minute and a half.
Although it seems to have died off a little.
It's okay. Wow.
So from 0 at a minute and a half.
Yeah. That's weird.
Yeah.
It's shooting very good water line, but shooting left or right.
Like substantially, but it's gotta be me. Up.
We'll fire another one in that exact same spot. Because that wind has not changed. Going pretty good, but no more than it was last time.
And it's in the same spot, so.
Okay.
All right. So maybe just, are you done, Chris?
Yeah.
Yeah, bring her a half minute left. See what happens. I know it's saying it's a full minute out there, but the wind hasn't changed. I want to see if the scope's tracking.
Okay, so I did, yeah, that could be an issue too.
That wind hasn't changed.
I must have went the wrong way there, did I?
Yeah, I think you did.
So
Yeah.
let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do a half back the other way. So realistically, this should be in where about that 5th shot was, if everything moved properly and.
Just wait for it. Wait for the wind to come back
Yeah.
up to make a good shot. There we go.
There you go.
Okay.
All right, that wasn't quite a 50. Not quite a 49 also. Was it 48? It looks like a 4. I don't remember. 48 and 4.
Okay.
There.
I win to go right. I turn it.
It's better than 47. Anyways, if you guys like this video, like, share, and subscribe. At least you can learn some wind. Watch my mistakes and learn from it. Thanks for watching.